Hello guys, I'm going to do section 1.2 of geometry, so let's get this done quickly. So first question, we have measure of arc MK. They're asking of what's the measure of arc MK. Now if you divide the circle into three parts, we know that this is an equilateral triangle, so each measure is equal to 60 degrees. Alright, and it's intersecting arc KM. So arc KM is equals twice measure of 60, so it's 120. And for B, it is, we have X, and the given is arc HM is equals 140. So the intercepting angle is L, so L is 70 degrees. And since this is an isosceles triangle, angle H equals angle M. So just 180 minus 70 equals 110. So X is equals 110 divided by 2, you get 55. So that's your answer for this. And now for this question, they gave you ABC equals 130. You want to find OAC, this thingy, this angle. Now in order to find this angle, you need to find what is the measure of AOC. Now we need to find the measure of major arc AC. Arc AC equals 130 times 2, which is 260. Okay, now we have 360 minus 260, so 100. So the measure of ABC, arc ABC, is 100, and the measure of angle AOC is also 100. Now just draw a line here. You know that AO and OC are radii, so they're equal. Then we can just do 180 minus 100 gives you 80 divided by 2. So each angle is equals 40 degrees. Sorry, this OAC and OCA is equals to 40. So you have your answer. X is 40. Now in these kind of questions, you just need to memorize this formula that we have two tangents CA and CB, which are tangent to the circle at points B and A, right? Just 70 equals, it's the formula for the inscribed angles and tangents. It's half the measure of, let's say, AB minus minor arc BA. So in this case, we can just say major arc A minus minor arc. Alright, now we need to know what's the value of A. So we know that these two arcs added up together gives you 360 degrees. So A equals 360 minus A. So just put this over here, plug in the value, 360 minus A, 360 minus 2A, and then you multiply both sides, divide both sides by 0.5, and then you get 140, like this. Now negative 360 plus 140 equals negative 2A. So negative 220 equals, divided by negative 2 equals A, gives you 110. Here, Chord, we know we can use the theorems for this question. We know that angle D is congruent to angle E. Okay, sorry. So 2x minus y equals 34. And we know that 34 degrees is half y. So in this case, y is equals to 34 times 2, we get 68. Yeah, then you put 68 here, 2x minus 68, 34. 34 plus 68 gives you 102. Divided by 2 gives you 51. Alright. Alright, these are the statements and reasons questions, so these are pretty easy. You need to prove that SUF, triangle SUF is congruent to triangle XUG. What this means, number 2 is SUF equals XUG is vertical angles are congruent, and USF, which is this, is equals to UXG. Two inscribed angles are intercepting the same arc, which are congruent, like we did in this question B. Prove that arc AC is congruent to arc BI. Now the statement here is ABC is equals to BCI. That is, two parallel lines cut by transversal form congruent alternate interior angles. So these two are parallel lines, transversal, and alternate interior angles are congruent. Here it's the measure of an arc of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the intercepted arc. One correction here. It isn't 110. It's 110 divided by 2. That gives you 55. Because you found the measure of arc AB. You need to find the value of x. So you divide 110, 55. Okay. You do the same thing here. So just quickly solve this. 360. Okay. So x is 50, and now here we apply the same. We know that these two are congruent, so just write the equation as 2x plus 30 equals 3x plus 10. And get x equals 20. Do the same thing here. X plus 55 equals 3x plus 45, 2x equals 10, and x equals 5. Alright? The last few questions are pretty easy. Now according to theorem 1.6, we can say that this angle is half the measure of this arc, right? So if this arc is 100 degrees, x is the intercepting angle, so x will be 50. We're almost there. This last question, 6x equals 48. Now you just have to do 48 divided by 6 and you get 8, and put an 8 here. Okay, thank you everyone. I hope this video helped you solve through the quiz.